guys, today we're going to be making like slime, and it can be really any slime, this one. I'm just gonna assume it as like leprechaun, like Shamrock slime, because we're gonna use green flakes. So what you need is some clear glue, a mixing utensil, some activator, some green glitter, and a roll of tissues.
Don't go yet.
Okay, so I've already mixed the glitter in, and the next step's to pour in our activator. Okay, so the last step now is to mix. Okay.
Okay. You can talk over this one.
Okay, so now I'm mixing. I'm trying to get the bottom out to the top, although it's not that easy, but you'll just keep mixing, and I'll do the slime reveal in 3, 2, 1.